first things first, these are all the ones that I'm going to use to drill it out and go up the way, and then I've got spares just in case I snap one. If I snap a drill bit in here, it's all over, so you've got to be really careful. Got 2 drills and the socket, the pin that I'm going to put in, the screw that I'm going to bolt in. So hopefully this goes well. Yeah. So I've ended up drilling out one of these and using a bigger post to see if it has any more bite. Now the idea is to keep this as straight as possible. So you might see it on here. You hear it? How's it going through? So I'll just back the drill off. So now I'm at the end of the bolt. I'm just going to clean it up at the end. See, that's right through, and you'll that's aluminium that I'm hitting there, so no more drilling.
Heating up the stud, what's left, I've got a bolt on it, a nut on it. It's not a very tight fit because it's absolutely rotten. And I'm going to weld it, see if I can extract it using that. Failing that, I'm going to have to cut it and drill it. I've got the others done. They work the treat. But this is the last one, this is a sticky one, so we'll see what happens here. just not fucking, it's not having it, look. Just can't weld it on. So I'm just going to cut it and drill it. I'll be here all day otherwise.
Okay, so it's at this point where I know something's going to happen. The drill's shaking, it's slightly off track, and I'm trying to correct it. I should have just left it. I should have just put it down, walked away, come back another day. So going in, give it a bit more WD, and I'm tired. I've got this bloody man flu, and I just go way too hard on this bolt. You can see I'm moving the drill down, I'm pushing it away, trying to strain it up, and it's gone, snapped. So that was the end of that one. I'm doing a voiceover because my language is not good on this video.